Good morning students. In the last video we have started with chapter number 10, sources of water. Now we will see what is drinking water. We must drink clean water for good health. You know that we should always remain healthy. So for remaining healthy we should always drink clean and we must drink clean water for our good health. Water in rivers, lakes or wells may not be clean. Water in rivers, see this is the water. In rivers, lakes or wells may not be clean. Why? Because see here you can see that some ladies are washing utensils, some are washing their clothes, some are taking bath and some are washing animals. So this is not clean water. You can see that all the dirty water is entering in this water and it is getting mixed up with the clean water. Rainwater collects germs from air. The rainwater, the water which is coming from rain, it is collected with germs from the air. In villages, people wash clothes. See, people wash clothes, utensils and cattle in ponds, lakes and rivers. See, this is the village area, and in the village area people wash clothes, utensils, cattle in ponds, rivers and lakes. So this water is not safe for drinking. So this water is not good for our health. So it is not safe for drinking. It may cause any health disease for us. We may fall sick if we drink this dirty water. If you drink this dirty water, you may fall sick. We must purify the water before drinking. So always we should purify the water which we are drinking. It is better to boil and filter water. If you want to drink water, you should always boil. See, this is the boiling process, and filter. Filter means you can take any cotton cloth or you can get any net through which we can filter the water. Boil and filter water is germ free. If you boil the water, the germs in the water which are present gets dead and it is germ free. It is safe to drink this water. If you drink this water, it is very good for our health and it is safe for our body also. In cities, lake water or river water is supplied through tap. See, this is the taps. You may see these taps at your homes also. In cities, lake water. From where do we get this water? We get this water from lake or river, which is supplied through lake and river and through tap. This water comes through tap in our house. This water is purified before it is supplied. Before supplying this water is purified. Tap water is safe to drink. So the water which is used in our daily life, it is safe to drink. But for safety, tap water should also be boiled and filtered. But then also there are some amount of germs present in this water. So we should always boil and filter the tap water. Water is very valuable. The water which we use in our day-to-day life or for drinking purpose, it is very valuable. If we don't get water, human beings cannot live without water. Just imagine what would happen if ponds, lakes, rivers and streams go dry. Just imagine if there is no water on the earth or in the ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, what will happen? Do not waste water. So we should not waste water. We should always save the water. Always keep your taps closed when not required. Whenever there is no use of tap, then we should always close the tap. Now I know. No animal or plant can live without water. So no one can live without water. We get water from streams, rivers, ponds and lakes. We also get water from wells and tube wells. We also draw underground water with hand pumps. We must drink clean water for good health. Boiled and filtered water is germ free. it is safe for drinking. We should always drink the water which is germ free, and it is done due to boiling and filtering. In cities, water is supplied through taps. In cities, from at our home, from where do we get water? We get water supply from taps. Water is very valuable. Do not waste it. We should not waste water. It is very valuable for us. Thank you.